Welcome to Principles of Accounting 2. I wanted to go over a few things about the course and how it's set up to help you get started. Right now we are on the home page, and this is where you can go to get my contact information. This is my Google Voice number and my email address and my office hours virtually. And it also has the textbook information, as well as, if you scroll down, a description of how the course works. And then each week I will post the assignments for the week and what is due and the due date. And then you can, if you forget, you can go on the home page to look, or if you need to get in contact with me, you can use my contact information. So once you've read everything on the home page, you can click here to get started. But also, I've listed the proctor testing dates at the bottom so that you can go ahead and schedule these, because in the summer the appointments fill up very fast. So if you want to go ahead and reserve your appointment, that is a really good idea. Also, when you click on the button to get started, it will take you to the page with all of your modules, which, as you can see, all of these modules, they're organized by chapter. And down at the bottom, if you keep scrolling, let's see. These are all of your chapters, and then there will be your proctored exam. Here it is, proctor tests and non-proctor tests. So those are moved up right up under important course information. So once you do your orientation module, you'll be able to access important course information. Make sure you view everything in important course information. But all of these view requirements mean that you must open the page and actually view them before you can access any of the other modules. Also in this module, you have a MyLab access code. Make sure that you copy that code down, because this is how you're going to be able to access MyLab and Mastering once you get your access code. And all of your assignments, homework assignments, will be in MyLab and Mastering. And you can see over here, when you click on MyLab and Mastering, this is going to take you to the page. So you want to access MyLab and Mastering within Canvas. Anytime you're going to do the homework, if you click on modules and you go into one of the homework assignments, you can actually click on the homework assignment in Canvas, and it will open it through Canvas. So this is just a little bit of a course overview of how this class is set up, and I hope that you have a great semester.